Racial polarization is the process whereby a population, the individuals of which have varying degrees of diversity in their ancestry, is divided into separate and distinct racial groups. Bermuda. In Bermuda, around 55% of the population is identified as black, followed by 34% white and the remainder mixed or other. Politically, the territory's two political parties are often described along racial lines, the United Bermuda Party being supported by Bermuda's white minority, while the Progressive Labour Party is supported by the black majority. In terms of popular support, few whites would not vote for the UBP, while black voters favoured the PLP. White rejection of the PLP is often linked to repeated racist rhetoric from the party, aimed not only at whites but at black opponents, who have been referred to as house niggers. The party has even been described as a write-off in terms of diversity by members of the Portuguese Bermudian community, which is often regarded as a separate ethnic racial group. Black rejection of the UBP stems from associating the party with racial segregation and slavery. While formed in the 1960s, white old money that was involved in those institutions supports the party. Within the House of Assembly of Bermuda, there is negligible white presence, with only 5 white MPs out of 36. In the appointed Senate of Bermuda, the white presence is 3 out of 11. Economically, the advantage lies in the white population, with white holding higher positions and earning higher incomes. These figures do not distinguish between Bermudians and temporary expatriate workers, however, leading to exaggerated figures stemming from the hire of executives from the United States, Canada and the United Kingdom, and the hire of unskilled, poorly treated laborers from the Caribbean, Jamaica in particular, and so leave the relevance unknown. Malaysia. Sociologist Dr. Saeed Feridalatas has pointed out we do not live according to the 3 principles for harmonious relations, recognizing the multicultural origins of civilization, interreligious encounters and showing respect and understanding the point of the other. Quote, "We have little appreciation for each other's religion and culture." Quote, "Our education system does not inculcate these attitudes in us but instead tends to polarize us. We have little appreciation for each other's religion and culture." In China, there is a strong interaction between Islam and Chinese culture. Quote, he also said, "Dialogue is a matter of national integration but the Malaysian education system does not inculcate the 3 prerequisites for interreligious cooperation and relations." When asked why this was so, Ray stated that in national schools, there is too much religion, too much Islam. They became frightened. That is the big impediment to the races studying together under one roof. He then recommended, have religious classes by all means, but keep away Islam from other aspects of life in the school. No DOA at the assembly, no DOA in the classroom except during religious classes. Quote,